Hello. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today, my husband Jeff left for a conference, so I'm home with our daughter Elle for a full day. I just put her down for her second nap, so I was able to catch some breath, and I want to show you guys what's inside this package that's next to me. Some background about the package. My mom, Elle's grandma, shipped it to us maybe a couple weeks ago, and I just received it. I knew that she purchased a bunch of items for Elle on the Chinese e-commerce website, Taobao, basically items grandma handpicked for Elle. I know there are no toys and it's probably mostly clothes. I'm still curious what she bought for her. This is her second package for Elle. Last time she shipped one similar size box last year and it doesn't look that big, just like from just looking at the package. However, last time when we took out all the clothes, all the items inside of it, the content like just literally expanded. The package kind of tripled its size. I don't know if it's gonna be the case for this time as well. And let's just get a pair of scissors and see what's inside. I will also insert a clip of the current state of Elle's closet in this video somewhere. So first, looks like it is a down jacket. Also, I don't know what size she bought for her. Elle is still only 6 months old, and this looks to me like a toddler size. Obviously, because they were purchased from China, and I think the size are different. I don't know the conversion at the moment. Just judging from the size, it's probably will suit Elle like next year when she's like a year and a half old. This Tom and Jerry, his pants, pretty cute. I like the design. It is a sweatpants, thick material, nice. A white top, another pants that's pretty long, but has like cute faces on each side, and it's just elastic band, so very cute, very fashionable. Another top with cute flowers. Oh. What do you call this? I guess this is a onesie. It has like cute kind of strings on the bear, and it has buttons. Very funny that it says Alabama on the back. I don't know why. Elle looks really cute in white clothes. Yeah, we'll definitely see a lot of use out of it. Oh, okay. I requested to buy it. I just saw those ads on Xiaohongshu, like Little Red Book. I don't know if that's the actual translation of the app, but it's like Chinese social media app that I browse a lot. And this was recommended to me because, you know, nowadays all I browse are like 90% of kids stuff once they learn crawling. So basically Elle will be wearing this when she starts crawling, and she can kind of clean the floor for us as well. A shirt. Is it a sweatshirt with bear prints all over? I think this is very, very thick material. Like you can see, it's kind of like a fleece inside. More pants. Have like cute details of bunnies around the legs, and it's also very thick. I think she's preparing those for us. This year we probably wouldn't visit my husband Jeff's family, but next year we'll probably visit them in Michigan, and the weather will be cold around Christmas, so this will definitely come in handy. Oh, it's like some utensil. this might be for us. Like, I don't know why this reminds me of like a tiny shovel more than a spoon, or is it meant to be and I just didn't get the joke? Oh, it's a two-piece. We have a top and a bottom. Oh, I love it. I love it. I just can't imagine Elle being so cute in this. I guess she will need to wear a bowl with this. It's funny, on the tag it says like think like a child. Lacy collars. Oh my gosh, they're cute. Also comes with a short. You see how my mom saved me like thousands of dollars on baby's clothes? Okay, so another winter jacket. Already wearing pearl when she's like 1 or something. Look at how cute the details are. Yeah, I just easily imagine this costs like $90, $80 at least, like at H&M Kids or Zara Kids. Yeah, very, very cute. Kind of a little bit like it reminds me of like sailor. I wonder if they are like a. They may be a set. Yeah, they are, because this is like light mode and this is dark mode. I really like them. I don't know. I just like both on girls. I have to adjust. Flat pants. This is kind of more neutral, I would say. Doesn't have like this very girly element. This is a green pants with some, like a bear, I guess. Oh, it also has destroyed details. And it is like jeans material, but it's just not blue. Okay. I see some toys, bath toys. So we saw like a bird. There are 3 of them. She's probably going to be able to sit very soon, and she can sit in the tub as well, and I feel like at that point I really want to give her some toys. Oh, this kind of lilac, kind of light purple color used to be my favorite color. Well, I still like it, but like really glad to see something like in one of my favorite colors. And I definitely like those colors on girls. So, and also has all the like little kind of perforated heart details. Nice, just like, I think the first item we opened was a down coat, so I think this is like roughly the same size. Oh, more of the bath toys. Oh, I love these bra colors. Oh my god. And like maybe you can style with like this pants together. I think they like got a little kind of preppy look. Oh, nice, nice, nice. I don't know how you call this kind of collar. There must be a name for it. Cooler weather long sleeves. Oh, this is just a vest. Love the neutral beige color and has embroidered bears on it. And you can like layer on top of this one, for example, and just like a versatile color in general. Okay, another sweatshirt. There's still a lot of clothes here. All these clothes, I feel like Elle can wear from 1 to like probably 3 or 4. Just like the sheer amount of clothes. Last time I was really shocked like how much she bought for Elle, and now you know, like I'm not exaggerating. So a pure white turtleneck and a kind of high collared sweatshirt. A lot of the clothes, like baby clothes, are very like bear themed, which I don't have any problem with because this is Cherish Baby, but it's basically a lot of socks here. Put it closer to the camera so you can see the pattern inside. 5 pairs of brown socks, more socks, and we have more. Why is there only one? Okay. Sneakers. Grandma was browsing these shoes when Elle was like 2 months old. Just fun fact about her, she really loves Elle. More socks. But has like a giant bear hat on top of it. It's not very realistic for like daily wear, but again, like for some photos, it's gonna look really great on photos. More bear. Like I have literally a mountain of clothes here by me, and that's everything we have open so far. We're still going. A bunny top, like very thick. Another pair of sneakers. I don't even know what you call this. It reminded me of those Ugg boots, kind of like, because it has linings inside. You know, obviously it doesn't look like a pair of Uggs, but it's definitely for like slightly cooler weather. Okay. I think these are for us, not for Elle. We don't properly seal a lot of our like food once we open them. So like grandma like noted in her mind that she's gonna get us some clips. I mean, I already bought some, but nothing as cute as like this kind of packaging. Honey baby. A hoodie. Very cute. Kind of more like boyish style, or like getting into that streetwear territory to me. A few more pants. 90% of the pairs we see today have like details around ankles. It's cute. Another jeans with a little bit of green tint. I'm just double checking the material, like it's not linen. It's actually kind of like jeans material. Okay, finally, last 2 things. Like a fruit feeder. I've definitely seen it online, but I don't know how to use it like immediately off the top of my head, so I have to Google. But I think this is something we can use for Elle immediately. No idea, I have to read the instructions. But it says silicone feeder. We'll figure it out. We are finally done. I want to show you guys what the current state of the baby's closet. So on the top, we have some baby wipes and all her diapers. And then on the clothing rack to the left, we have the thicker winter clothes. Some new sweaters I bought. Basically everything from the Christmas sweater to the left are things we just bought recently, kind of on a clothing shopping spree. And then these are her onesies. And this is, we hand like a cardigan here, just going on like the daytime walks. We can just quickly lay it on top of her clothes. Some PJs. Coming down, we have or her hats, some other cardigans, pants, long sleeves, socks, shoes, accessories. It's probably just for photo purpose. We still have a lot of room left on this level. And then here are her nice dress, some booties, and shorts, more socks, hairband, even the baby mask. And this is disposable saliva towel and the bibs. Third level are everything that no longer fits Elle. These tiny newborn socks, all small, medium, large, happiest baby swaddles, all these pajamas that doesn't fit anymore, onesies that didn't fit anymore are here. And the last level are bed sheets kind of stuff, and some other stuff for later when she starts learning to walk. This is the look of our entire baby closet. I hope you guys enjoy watching unboxing with me. I also want to say a short message to my mom. I know she's not going to watch this video, but I just really want to get this message out there. Really, thank you for the beautiful clothes you bought for Elle. Each piece is filled with love and thoughts, and we just feel really blessed to have your continued support in this journey of parenthood. And we can't wait to see Elle dressed in these adorable clothes when she's a bit older. Thank you again for your thoughts and love. Everything is deeply appreciated. I'll probably spend the afternoon organizing and like just putting all these clothes into different categories at the tops and the bottoms, and the toys and everything back into the closet. Yeah, hope you guys like the video, and I will see you in the next one.